Hi, I'm Amazon Seller Central expert. Do you know how much good customer relationships can help your business generate more sales? We at Amazon understand this point and aim to build a connection between you and your potential customers. But for that, we would like you to fill in information related to your business, such as your business name, contact details, and shipping details on Amazon Seller Central. Let's take a look at these information requirements in detail and understand how this can be added to the account info page on Amazon Seller Central. First, you must provide your business name, which should not include .com or .in or any similar URL suffixes. This is the most important piece of information as it's what your customers will see both on Amazon.in and in email communications generated by us on your behalf. Next, you need to give your customer service contact details such as your business address, establishment address, email address, and contact number. This information is required to inform you about order notifications, guarantee claim notifications, as well as service and technical updates. Also, it allows customers to reach you directly if they have any questions about their orders. In addition, you should mention your invoice and return address. Invoice address is used to generate the invoice of the product, and when you authorize a buyer's request to return an item, the buyer is sent a return merchandise label that includes your return address. We at Amazon ask you to specify your Indian bank account details such as bank account type, holder name, number, and Indian Financial System Code or IFSC, to which payments of your sales proceeds can be made. After you enter or change this information, there is a mandatory 14-day security period before we can disburse any funds. So, enter this information carefully. After this, you are supposed to set your shipping details. There are two options available for shipping. Either you can do it yourself or ask Amazon to do it on your behalf through Amazon Easy Ship service. If you want Amazon to ship on your behalf, you need to mention your pickup address and contact details in the account's info page. Apart from these details, you must mention the VAT and CST information. However, if you are shipping your products, you need to set some details, such as the location from where you will ship your products, regions where you are willing to ship your products, and methodology that you want to use for calculating the shipping cost. You can do all these settings on the shipping settings page. Congratulations! Now you have understood the account settings that you need to take care of before initiating selling. Let's recall these settings one more time. Before initiating selling at Amazon, you need to give your business name, contact details, bank account details, and shipping related information. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for completing this session. Have a question or want to learn more about how Amazon can help you build your business? Simply contact seller support for any queries.